Hey guys, I'm Kimberly from Fat Quarter Shell Flosstube, and today I'm going to show you how to make a cross stitch monogram. I'm not sure if you've ever wanted to do this, but now we have a cross stitch alphabet PDF pattern, and I'm going to give you some tricks on how to do it using the graph paper included in the chart. And in another video, I can show you how you can turn this into a bag so you can have a bag with your name on it. So let's get started. So for our monogram today, we're going to use my last name, and for the last name you will be using the small alphabet because the pattern comes with a small alphabet and a large alphabet. The large alphabet will be our uppercase letter, and I'm going to show you how to do this. This is all in the pattern. You will get this page as part of your PDF pattern. I'm going to turn it this way and I'm going to start charting. What we're going to be doing in the very first section is writing out our name. You will be using the small alphabet and you will do one stitch between each letter. And I'm going to draw that out right now. So you'll kind of start on your paper just wherever you think that it's going to fit. So I'm going to start on the left and kind of in the center. It doesn't have to be exact. And I'm just going to follow the pattern that is on the left and just make my own pattern. And then when I stitch it later, I will follow this. Draw my first letter, I'm going to just draw some lines so that I leave one space over between my J and my O. I want my J to go a little bit below the line, so I picked this line and all my other letters are going to align. So my second letter looks good. I'm going to draw another line here that's going to give me just an alignment between the O and the L, and I'm going to keep drawing, and later I will take all of these little extra lines off. Okay, so now that I've drawn this out, I'm going to erase all these extra lines. You really don't even have to erase them if you don't want to, but I'm just going to erase them. Now you're going to take your highest letter and go up 2 stitches and we're going to draw a line. You're going to draw a line that's going to extend 3 stitches to the left and 3 stitches to the right and 2 stitches above. So you can see that we're up here. We're going to do 3 more stitches. 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to go extend the line past the furthest left. 1, 2, 3. And of course you could do less. This is just what we did. And then we're going to fill this in. This is just going to be a straight line across that's going to divide the small letters and the large letters. Okay. So now we're going to go 2 stitches below the lowest letter and start a line. And then I'm going to go 3 stitches to the right, just like above, 3 stitches to the left, this is just a single line that you're going to stitch with just simple cross stitches, and we used a different color on this one than our letters. You can keep them all the same, or you can do a contrast color if you would like. So now the center is done, and we used our small letters here. Now we're going to add our large letter here. My design comes out to 70 stitches across. I'm going to divide that by 2, and that's 35, and I'm going to find the center of my design and mark it on the top and the bottom. Now I'm going to take this chart. This is our large letter, and we have the centers already marked for you, the top and the side. So I'm just going to mark a little line. That's my center. And I'm going to draw a hard line here. And that's what's great about a PDF, is you can reprint more copies for yourself if you need it, if you write all over your pattern. So I'm going to put this 2 stitches above my design and this 2 stitches below. Now of course, if you draw it and you don't like it, you can change it around a little bit, but let's draw it and see what we think. And we're gonna start, this is gonna be the center, and this is gonna be the center. We're gonna start 2 stitches away from the top and 2 stitches away from the bottom, and we're gonna match these center points with right here. I did use my center lines, but I'm also just going to check to make sure that I started in the right spot so that my whole J goes down. But I did start with my mark, and I'm just going to keep going. Now I have drawn my design and I love it. So now you can use your graph paper as your guide and stitch your design. I hope you have a ton of fun with this. You can get really creative. You can use your last name, you could use your first name, you could use a word, and you can stitch it in a bag if you want to watch our next video showing how to turn it into a bag. And subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.